क्या पास में कोई बैंक है?
Is there a bank nearby? Is there a bank nearby?
देरी के लिए मैं माफी चाहता हूँ।
I am sorry for the delay. I am sorry for the delay.
क्या आपका उससे संपर्क है?
Do you have contact with him? Do you have contact with him?
मुझे किसका इंतजार करना चाहिए?
What should I wait for? What should I wait for?
अब मुझे क्या करना चाहिए?
What should I do now? What should I do now?
क्या आप हवाई जहाज या ट्रेन से जाएंगे?
Will you go by plane or train? Will you go by plane or train?
वो मेरा इंतजार कर रही है।
She is waiting for me. She is waiting for me.
आपने पहले काम कहाँ किया था?
Where did you work before? Where did you work before?
मैं कल छुट्टी लूंगा।
I will take leave tomorrow. I will take leave tomorrow.
अपने जूते उतारो।
Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes.
जल्दी मिलते हैं।
See you soon. See you soon.
मैं इसे भी खरीदूंगा।
I will buy it too. I will buy it too.
आपसे आज रात को मिलते हैं।
See you tonight. See you tonight.
हिंदी मेरी मातृभाषा है।
Hindi is my mother language. Hindi is my mother language.
आप यहाँ पर कितने समय से हैं?
How long have you been here? How long have you been here?
क्या आपने किसी को यहाँ जाते देखा है?
Have you seen anyone go here? Have you seen anyone go here?
क्या आपने भोजन किया?
Did you have lunch? Did you have lunch?
यह मेरा अपना व्यवसाय है।
This is my own business. This is my own business.
सोने से पहले अपने दांतों को ब्रश करें।
Brush your teeth before going to bed. Brush your teeth before going to bed.
मुझे अभी भी बहुत कुछ करना है।
I still have a lot to do. I still have a lot to do.
वो अभी घर पर नहीं है।
She is not at home now. She is not at home now.
हम सब कब निकल रहे हैं?
When are we leaving? When are we leaving?
हम थोड़ी देर बाद जाएंगे।
We will go a little later. We will go a little later.
मैंने तुम्हें रुला दिया।
I made you cry. I made you cry.
तुम मेरे लिए सबसे प्रिय हो।
You are the most beloved to me. You are the most beloved to me.
फॉर्म को भरो।
Fill out this form. Fill out this form.
आप यह गलत कर रहे हैं।
You're doing it wrong. You're doing it wrong.
आपको आने की जरूरत नहीं है।
You don't have to come. You don't have to come.
मैं छोड़ने वाला हूँ।
I am going to leave. I am going to leave.
आज उनका परिवार आ रहा है।
His family is coming today. His family is coming today.
मैं अभी थोड़ा व्यस्त हूँ।
I am a little busy now. I am a little busy now.
मैं कल व्यस्त रहूंगा।
I will be busy tomorrow. I will be busy tomorrow.
मुझे आपसे यह उम्मीद नहीं थी।
I didn't expect that from you. I didn't expect that from you.
मैं एक पल में वापस आऊंगा।
I'll be back in a moment. I'll be back in a moment.
मैं अभी वापस आ जाऊंगा।
I will be right back. I will be right back.
मैंने अभी तक लंच नहीं किया है।
I have not had lunch yet. I have not had lunch yet.
आपके द्वारा यह कितने सालों से किया जा रहा है?
How long have you been doing this? How long have you been doing this?
यह सब मेरी गलती है।
It's all my fault. It's all my fault.
यह स्वीकार्य नहीं है।
It's not acceptable. It's not acceptable.
आपका मनपसंद कौन सा है?
Which is your favorite? Which is your favorite?
आपको कौन सा पसंद है?
Which one do you prefer? Which one do you prefer?
और कोई रास्ता नहीं है।
There is no other way. There is no other way.
मुझे यह पसंद नहीं है।
I don't like it. I don't like it.
क्या यह तैयार है?
Is it ready? Is it ready?
आज बारिश की कोई संभावना नहीं है।
There is no chance of rain today. There is no chance of rain today.
मेरे पास 2 कारें हैं।
I have 2 cars. I have 2 cars.
मेरे पास 2 कारें हैं।
I like her very much. I like her very much.